Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be learning how to disable Battleye for online access. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and disable your antivirus. Then we're going to go ahead and start downloading the dependencies. You will find all links in the description. Once done, we're going to open our downloads folder and rename our FSL file as shown in the video. Then go back to your launcher and open your GTA 5 folder directory. And simply just drag and drop the FSL file in your GTA 5 root. Once that is done, go back to your YimMenu's link and download our Injector. You will find the link in the description for the Injector as well. Once done, go back to your downloads, then extract your Injector. Once done, go back to your launcher, then disable Battleye as shown. Then launch your game and wait for it to load. Once the game is done booting, go ahead and launch story mode. Now go back to our Injector and inject your mod. Hit the insert key to open the mod. The network and join to join online sessions. Anyway, if you guys have any more questions, make sure to leave in the comment below or join our Discords. We're currently at like 6 members probably, so we're building that community for us basically to join and play with each other. So yeah, if you want to join our Discord, you will find it as well in the description. Also, this is how you inject your mod.